Do you want to be remembered?
Well, I want to be remembered as a boy who comes from a very poor family and went to mingle with kings and queens and powerful people, yet he was not a pushover by those powerful people. Because our family backgrounds dictate that we must be treated in a particular way. And that's why when we behave the way we are behaving, people get shocked as to, but who are these people who think they can tell us anything, and yet they come from poor background. So I'm inspiring children from poor backgrounds that you must stand for yourself and don't be a pushover by anyone. People must win you over. They must not think they can impose themselves on you because you come from this background. And that's all I'm trying to do. There are so many people who look up to me today and say, if this guy can achieve it, it means I can achieve it. And I really wish everyone wins in their battle. I just want to inspire, especially people who come from a poor background. I mean,